Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin here, and today I am going to be fixing this dog. Yeah, this is why I'm fixing this dog, because the mouth is moving a little bit, but it's not moving anymore. And his head and the gears is making that screeching sound. That's a really cute dog. Yep, so I'm gonna be fixing this dog. Yep, so first I'm gonna fix his mouth. Alright. Here we go. Here we go. I fixed her mouth. Yep. Let's see if her mouth works. Oh, her mouth moves really nice. Her mouth moves perfectly now. Now I had to fix her head. And so the gears will stop screeching. Alright, let's see what's wrong with the gears. Oh, that's why the gear is screeching. It needs a new gear. Yeah, that dog needs a new gear. So that's why it's screeching. I had to give that dog a better gear. Oh, the rubber band's right here. I'm missing something. Where's that other gear that the dog moves its head? Oh, here it is. I found it. Yeah, the dog needs a new gear, so that's why it's screeching. It needs a new gear. Where are the other gears? And so her head will move. Where are the other gears? And so the dog's head will move. Yep, that dog needs a new gear, so I'm gonna give this dog a new gear. Gonna pull out the wires. Here's the old gear. That gear's old. Do you see this? Here's the old gear. That gear is trash. Alright, so let's give this dog a new gear. I'm gonna find a better gear. Oh my gosh. One of my Scotty dogs are falling over. Sheesh. Hold on, I'm gonna give this dog a better gear. Alright, I found a better gear for that dog. Found a better one this time. This is just a wire here. Where's the rubber band? Here's the rubber band for that dog. Here's the dog's rubber band to move her head. Alright. Let's try and see if the gear screeches. Here we go. He works good now. The gear's not screeching anymore. He works perfectly now. Alright. She works perfectly now. Now I had to put her back on. Here we go. I put her back on. Here we go. She works good. Alright. My dog is now fixed. She works beautifully now. She works really good now. So goodbye guys and have a great day.